So we will see what a computer is at a very basic level in this short video. So this is our computer. Let us assume for this time being that this box here is our computer. So this is our computer, and we given some input and we give some instructions, and we get some output. So this in a very simple manner is nothing but a computer is. Okay. So how does the computer do this? Okay, there is, if we take the example of a human being as an analogy, human beings also does this. We get some data as the input, we operate on the data based on some instructions which are already known to us. Then we get to some conclusions based on the data processing what we have done. Okay, so for a human being, the thing which does all these things is the human brain. Okay, so for a computer also there is something called a brain. Okay, so it's called a processor. So this is our processor. The job of the processor is take the data, process it, and it gives some output. Okay, so this is our processor here. So what are we inputting? We are inputting some data and we are inputting some instructions. Okay, so if we go back to our analogy of the human brain, the data we need and the instructions which we need to process the data are already stored in the human brain. Okay, so there needs to be some storage place, okay, to store the data and the instructions. So there is something called as memory. Okay, which stores this data, which also stores the instructions. Okay, so the processor communicates with the memory. Whenever it needs some data to operate on, it reads the data from the memory. It also reads the instructions from the memory, what to be done. It processes it, and then it writes back to the memory the output. Whatever output is needed, it writes back to the memory. Okay. Once the output is written back to the memory, we can use it in whatever way we want. Okay. So these two components together is called a computer. At a very basic level. So we can go back to what a processor is and what a memory is in a very detailed way in the other videos. Okay, so for now let's understand that at the core of a computer there are two main components, two basic components, which are the heart of the computer. Okay, one is processor and the other is memory. Rest all the other parts which are part of the computer are just to enable or enhance the capabilities of this processor and memory. Okay, so we'll look into these details of the processor and memory in the upcoming videos.